What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV. It is September, National Life Insurance Awareness Month, and the one question that I have gotten the most is how much life insurance do I need? Congratulations, you realize how valuable life insurance is. You call your local agent and you say, I want life insurance. The first question they're going to ask you is, how much do you want to cover your life for? Putting a price on your life is really hard. It's something that I don't think anybody could honestly do, but there's a tool and an acronym that we use in order to break down all of your finances, all of your debt, everything, so when you leave this earth, your loved ones, your beneficiary, are in the same living conditions that they were before you passed away. Before I get started and get a little bit into this, a lot of people have been reaching out to me via like my YouTube comments, and I'm not on my YouTube every day. Like, I'm not on my actual app every day due to work and some other things that I do have going on. So if you ever want to reach out to me, I'm gonna drop my email right here. And that is the best point of contact, as well as my Instagram, my insurance Instagram. It's the link in the bio, and I'll drop that right here as well. Always reach out to me on those if you have any questions about your state exam, what is it like working in insurance, the type of money that I make. I'd be more than happy and very transparent with you about anything you need to know about insurance. In the most simple way possible, the way that we assess how much life insurance one needs is your needs minus your estimated asset total equals the amount of life insurance that one needs. The way that we break down the needs and liabilities for customers and clients is life. So life stands for loans and mortgage, I is income replacement, F is final expense, and E is education. Now L is loans and mortgages. So let's say I have a house and I owe $150,000 on it in the next 20 years. So we write that down. As well as loans. Do you have car loans? Do you have any type of personal loans or any type of business loans that you took out in order to start your business, in order to whatever you had your loan for? So mortgages and loans is the first section. I is income replacement. It takes the average household 2 to 5 years to replace an income that has been lost in the household. So let's say you make $50,000 a year. We times 50,000 times 5, and that's how we get that number, and we add that to the loans and mortgages owed at the current moment. So F is final expense. So the average funeral in America costs anywhere from $7,000 to $12,000. And surprisingly, the average cremation can be anywhere from $500 to $10,000. I saw the $10,000 in New York, so I know the cost of living is a little higher up there. So we do add that in. We do ask our customers and our clients, do you plan on being buried or do you plan on being cremated? Then they kind of, go through that with us, and then that's how we calculate the price for F. E is education. So this can get a little tricky for people that do not have children or nieces or nephews that they want to support educationally. So a lot of my customers do have kids that are younger, 13, 14, sometimes 16, a little older. So I always ask them, does your child plan on going to school? Do they plan on starting a business, going in the military or whatever? 9 times out of 10, the parents do say, yes, my child is going to get higher education. So because we are licensed in a few states, we look at the average tuition for public universities in that state, and then we calculate that as well. So after calculating all that, we do get a number. Usually it's a higher number. People don't realize how much debt they have until you really break it down. So we have that number, and then we subtract that by all the assets that they do currently possess. So then we get the liabilities and needs minus the assets, and that is the amount of life insurance that you need. So assets can include anything from savings, investments, retirement accounts, group life insurance that you had with your former employee, because I do know sometimes when you do retire from a company, they do give you a small package for life insurance when you do pass away. In my prior video, I did talk about the difference between whole life and term life insurance. And a lot of times what people do, and what I do recommend, is combining the whole life and term life together in order to sufficiently cover your life. If you do not know why I said that, definitely check out that video. It'll kind of give you an insight on why I said that. A lot of times, a lot of your needs aren't going to last forever, like your mortgage or your car loan or even your educational loans that you do have. So definitely you want to combine, because once all those debts are paid off, you still need to be able to be buried and have your family and your wife, your husband, your spouse, whoever, to still live the same lifestyle they lived before you passed away. So that was just a small overview of how licensed insurance agents assess how much life insurance you need. If you have any questions or want to know more about how we assess one's needs for life insurance, make sure to hit that email. Follow my insurance Instagram for any questions and just content that I do post. We are posting a video every Thursday. Happy National Life Insurance Awareness Month. Make sure that you know the importance and the value of protecting your assets and legacy. Boom, almost forgot to say, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video to 2 people, tell them to share to 3 people, and keep it rolling. Again, my name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV.